Nashville. I've been utterly impressed by the talent of anyone who can pick up a guitar and sing, which in Nashville is pretty much everyone. Home of the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, I see it more as the capital of country and folk music.
Autito recién alquilado.
I drove up a couple of hours north for a 2-day celebration of my new friend Dave's 50th birthday at the also famous Jim Oliver's Smokehouse. There, I would spend 2 nights of amazing live music, bonfires, nature, good food, and more new friends. And this is how it went.
Thank you very much.
A classic breakfast, ham steak, eggs, grits, and biscuits with loads of butter.
Biscuits, lo mejor.
Jim Oliver's Smokehouse is a very old established lodge, smokehouse and live music venue. Before I get into the serious food they have, I went for a quick nature trail before Dave's birthday celebration.
Y'all think Nashville is just about music. Oh, much more. Look at this. It's nature. I mean, look at these waterfalls.
Les voy a mostrar el arte que tienen para ahumar carnes.
So, let's go straight into the food. The US has certainly nailed down the art of smoking meats, and Pitmaster Mike has it down. Smoked brisket, ribs, chicken, and all their house-made sauces.
El momento que las doblan y se empieza a cuartear, ahí es cuando están listos. Falda, miren lo que es esto. Miren lo que es esto. La costrita totalmente sequita, que tienen las especias. Oh my god. Oh. Barbecue sauce.
Finally, our night of celebration with Dave and his friends.
Give it up for our friend Dave Kahanish. We love it.
Since I didn't ask the musicians' permission, you only get a soundbite of one of Dave's guests. just so you get a taste of music in Nashville.